Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. We reached the airport just time. Right answer is be in. The book is too difficult for me. Right answer is A, to read. He did not come to class, and did I? Right answer is C, neither. The baby has been crying an hour. Right answer is B4. I have no idea where she... Right answer is C, has gone. There is not water left in the bottle. Right answer is B, any. She sings as beautifully as her sister. Right answer is A, does. She had her purse in the market. Right answer is C, stolen. Each of the students responsible. Right answer is B, is. He looks. He has seen a ghost. Right answer is A, as if. She has been playing piano, morning. Right answer is B, since. I am not interested. Politics. Right answer is C, in. The movie was boring. I left early. Right answer is B, so. He asked me if his pen. Right answer is C, had seen. I can't help at his jokes. Right answer is A, laughing. This dress is expensive than the other one. Right answer is B, more. The book on the table, mine. Right answer is A, is. She, her homework before dinner. Right answer is C, had finished. My father, along with his friends, going on a trip. Right answer is B, is. The baby, sleeping when we arrived. Right answer is B, was. There. Many people at the event. Right answer is A, were. This is the same house I was born. Right answer is C, where. She was so tired that she could walk. Right answer is B, hardly. We will leave after the movie. Right answer is A, ends. I'm used to, in cold weather. Right answer is C, living.